Yo people, what is going on? It's your girl, I am BB Cutie, and today I am back with an Alfredo pasta dish recipe for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into this delicious recipe. So what you're going to need is unsweetened almond milk, whatever brand you choose, just make sure it's unsweetened. And the magic ingredient here is raw Brazil nuts. You're going to need about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian herbs, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 packet of sazon goya, garlic powder about half a teaspoon, onion powder about half a teaspoon, and 2 cloves of garlic. Now what you're going to do is you're going to measure out a cup of raw Brazil nuts and soak it in hot water. Now what the hot water will do is speed up the time that it'll take to soften the nuts. I let mine soften for about 2 to 3 hours. Go ahead and prepare your other ingredients, your garlic, your onion, and your Italian sausage if you choose to use it. Go ahead and add about 3 cups of milk to your blender with the Brazil nuts and go ahead and blend it up. After you've got the sauce blended, you're going to start your pasta. You're going to add some oil and salt to your water and bring that to a boil. I am using pasta that is not necessarily fettuccine. It would have been cool if I used fettuccine pasta for this dish, but you're going to go ahead and put the pasta on for about 9 minutes. And while that's boiling, let's go ahead and start the sauce. You're going to add oil to your pan, or if you don't use oil, just go ahead and add some water to the pan and begin sauteing your vegan Italian sausage if you use that, or just do your onion and garlic. Make sure if you do use the Italian sausage, do not keep it on the heat for too long, because then it will take away the subtle flavor that it gives. Go ahead and add the sauce and bring it to a boil and add your seasonings, the sazon. And if you don't want to use the sazon, you could probably just use seasoned salt. However, you will have to salt to taste after using the seasoned salt because you don't want it to be too salty. Go ahead and add your Italian herb, the garlic and onion, and of course your salt. You can add pepper too if you want, but I don't really like pepper. So you're going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast and stir that in. You're going to go ahead and set the sauce aside because you want it to finish thickening up once you put the pasta in. The pasta is done. Go ahead and drain your pasta and add it to the sauce. Yes, the sauce will be a little watery, but I promise you it'll thicken up after you do this step here. Mix it in. There's a little close-up. You see how it's still a little watery? That's okay because it'll thicken up. What you're going to do is you're going to cover the pasta for about 3 to 5 minutes on low heat, and it will turn into this lovely looking thick sauced pasta, Alfredo pasta dish. And it is delicious, guys. I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, leave it down in the comments below. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, the recipe will be in the description bar below. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do try this out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.